want to show you what I got. I was at Target before and I got this chair and I didn't know what I was going to do with it, but I had my husband drill me 3 holes. Now you can have the choice of hanging it. It has the little hangers in it like that, or you can set it like this. And I have 3 little terracotta pots that I got from the Dollar Tree that fit so cutely inside of these. Okay, like this. Now, I wanted you to see the theme. My theme tonight is Anchored in Jesus. So it's going to be more of a beachy theme. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, now I wanted to show you how I got that on there. It didn't come with Anchored in Jesus on there. Okay, what I did, I have a wood burning tool and I love to do fancy writing, you know, the hand lettering. And so I wrote it in there, on there with pencil. And then you just go over it with a wood burning tool. And I am going to take my Fusion Mineral Paint encasement, which is a white. Now, you know, I'm just going to water it down a little bit, just a tad, and I'm going to whitewash it. Then I might have to go over it again with the wood burning tool. I'm just going to mix it up really good. I'm going to do a little bit of a whitewash. Now this is so highly pigmented that in order not to cover everything up, I have to do this. I have to whitewash it. Kind of, see how the coverage is even after putting all that water in it, right? See it, Clark? Right? Look at that, boom. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly dry this Anchored in Jesus part. But anyway, I'm just going to show you quickly. Can you see it? Yes, I think you can. Okay, when I put my tool to it, it burns fast. Ooh, baby. So this is what we got so far. I think it's adorable so far. Okay, and I'm gonna take these little pots and we're gonna paint 3 out of the 4 that I have sitting here in this Caribbean blue that I think is so pretty. Paint. This is just apple barrel. I'm just gonna go and make it look beachy. Okay, so I'm going to use the gold bling wrap to go around the edges of these terracotta pots. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure how much of this I need, how wide and how long. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going to cut it in half. 4 blings wide, and this is 8 blings. So I'm just gonna cut it in half, and then I'm gonna use what I need to go around it. Now, I have not found my E6000. I got 2 little itty bitty tubes here, half dead and almost gone. And I'm squeezing the life out of them because I can't find my E6000. My husband went to Menards back in the winter. I said, would you see if they have any E6000? I love this gold with this, by the way. Does that not look pretty, the gold with the blue? I think that is so pretty. Those colors. Cut it right there. So we've got these 3 bad boys going on, and we're going to put these 3 pots in just like this. And I'll tell you what, okay? All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of Oasis in them. I'm going to cut a little piece of Oasis to go inside of here. I got some of these cute little flowers. These are like, these remind me of my mom's house. She used to have like a big bush of this. It's called Queen Anne's lace, I believe. I'm gonna take a few sprigs of these and I'm gonna put in, this looks like a small-ish hydrangea. Is that all I clipped? I thought I clipped the, all right, these little Queen Anne's lace. I think I only bought this one. I think about 2 hydrangea and 1 Queen Anne's lace. If I'm not mistaken. So, just gonna put it in the middle here. Fill it in. Do they not? That's pretty. They're so pretty. Just kind of neutral white with a little bit of green. Very beachy looking, correct? Isn't that cute? Cute. All right, so I cannot remember if I got this at Hobby Lobby or the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna say I got it at the Dollar Tree the other day with my sister because I went to a Dollar Tree I don't normally go to. Okay. This is going to get put right here in the middle like this, but I'm gonna dry brush a little bit of white over this, just a little bit, because I don't want it red. I want it to be beachy, right? I think I'm gonna have to take this off as much as I hate to. I am gonna, okay. This is Fusion Mineral Paint and I'm using it full on, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dab some off. This has got like little indents in it. Can you see that? It's got like, it's textured, all right? So I'm just gonna take my brush and I'm gonna very lightly stroke over it, very, very lightly, and dry brush it so that some of those things come out in it. Okay? So, I'm gonna use this gorgeous cross from Totally Dazzled. This is the bronze pack. I'm gonna show this to you. It's got a heart in the center because if you're anchored in Jesus, you're anchored in his love, correct? Amen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this with E6000 and a little bit of hot glue right on this anchor. Shabbied up anchor. I think it's gorgeous. I love that look. Okay, so here's the deal. I'm probably gonna have to take these pots out for a minute so that I can lay it down flat and anchor the anchor, right? I think what I'll do is I'll put a little E6000, maybe at the top here, across here, and then down here, and then I'll put the hot glue. It's not even funny, but isn't that gorgeous, you guys? Stunning. I love it. I love it. Now you can hang it, like I said, from the back, or you can sit it on a shelf, a mantle, on a table. I think it's gorgeous on a countertop. That would be pretty in any room in the house.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.